Solar, AP Systems presents single-phase hybrid inverter for balcony photovoltaics. Until now, balcony inverters were mostly simple microinverters, with batteries integrated via MC4 connectors. A hybrid inverter should improve this situation. AP Systems has unveiled a true hybrid inverter for balconies. In most cases, balcony power installations use microinverters with batteries connected via an MC4 connector, says Yihan Li, AP Systems sales manager for Austria and Germany. The AZ, on the other hand, is a fully fledged, single-phase hybrid inverter. The system can absorb 1200 W and deliver just as much again, whereby the feed into the grid is reduced to 800 W. The hybrid inverter stores the difference in a battery. In off-grid mode, the AZ can continuously supply the household grid with 2400 W. The switchover time to off-grid mode is said to be less than 10 milliseconds. According to AP Systems, the system uses gallium nitride semiconductors. Despite the low power class, the efficiency is said to be 96.2%. Gallium nitride semiconductors are still only used in low power applications. The inverter can connect modules with a maximum short circuit current of 25 amps. The voltage at the DC input can be up to 60 volts per input. A special feature is that AC voltage can also be applied to the input. If you want to retrofit a battery, for example, you can leave the old microinverter in operation and simply connect the AC output directly to the hybrid inverter. The inverter is certified with protection class IP67 and is therefore ideal for outdoor use. The recommended operating temperature ranges between -40 C and +65 C. The key difference between a conventional balcony inverter and the hybrid solution is that the hybrid inverter has a CAN interface for the battery. This is intended to ensure better and safer operation of the battery, says Li. The interface allows the use of only one cable for power transmission and communication with the battery management system. AP Systems does not manufacture its own battery for balconies, but we have already tested compatibility with over 40 manufacturers, Li adds. The in-house app can control energy flows and manage self-consumption. Other accessories can be integrated via Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. The manufacturer offers a 12-year warranty on the micro-hybrid inverter.